If Mobile Legends is showing the Voice Chat SDK is being updated message on your Android phone, you generally don't need to panic. It's a common issue that happens because of incomplete in-game downloads. So, let's learn how we can fix this voice chat update problem. Solution 1. Download all game resources manually. Go to your Mobile Legends home screen on Lobby. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now tap on Network Test over here. Tap Resource Repair. Then tap Start. Let the game download any missing or corrupted voice files. Depending on your network speed, this may take a while to finish. After the download finishes, restart the game. Try enabling voice chat again. This fixes most cases caused by missing SDK files. Solution 2. Clear MLBB cache and restart the app. Find Mobile Legends on your app gallery. Tap and hold on to it. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option from here. Tap on it. Tap Clear Cache. After that, close all your background apps. Then open Mobile Legends again. This fixes minor bugs that cause random crashes. Solution 3. Update or reinstall Mobile Legends. Open your Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends. If you find any updates for this app, make sure to update it. If you can't find any updates, the problem may be with the app itself. So uninstall MLBB completely and reinstall it. That will fix your problem for sure. And that's it. With these solutions, the Voice Chat SDK is being updated error in Mobile Legends should be fully fixed and your voice chat should work normally again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which solution worked for you. See you in the next Mobile Legends fix.